green tail.
Different legs.
Kangaroo.
Different shells. Different shells. Different legs.
Wanderer, I'm Mrs. Hammett. Today I'm going to read you a story. I wonder what today's story is about. Let's see the book. The story is called Goodnight Moon. Namakara Waarigan. Namakara is bye and Waarigan is moon. We are going to remember these words. Bujigan Cat. Guguur Mouse. Buligi Cow. Waarigan is moon. Dawaar Star. And Daan-gaay is wind. In the great green room, there were two little kittens and pair of mittens.
Track the word as I read.
Nayan bayan warkawe walubira. Kutera bita, bujikan ngay, kalba kutera mittens. Nayan is there. Bayan is house. We use the same word for house and room. In Guugu Yimithirr, warka is big. Walubira green, like leaf. Kutera is two. Bitter is little. Bujigan ngay is cats. Kalbar is well as. Bujigan ngay is cats. Bujigan is cat. Say bujigan.
Again,
Say bujigan.
one more time.
Say bujigan. What does bujigan mean?
Track and read together.
Nayan bayan warkawe walubira. Kutira bita. Bujigan ngay kalba kutira mittens. And a little toy house.
Track and read together.
Nayan bayan bita kalba. Now you read. And a young mouse. Kura bita guguur. Guguur is mouse. Say guguur.
Again,
Say guguur.
one more time.
Say guguur. What does guguur mean?
Track and read together.
Kura bita guguur. And a comb and a brush and a bowl full of mush.
Track the word as I read.
Ngan baiko comb kura brush tungala bulur der. Ngan baiko is two things. Bukul is big. Tungala bowl and bulur is mush.
Track and read together.
Ngan baiko comb kura brush tungala bulur der. Now you read. And a quiet old lady who was whispering, hush.
Track the word as I read.
Kura tutur kambangan, danin go bandi, wuni. Tutur is quiet. Kamba means lady. Daningo is quiet. Bandil is say. Wuni is go to sleep.
Track and read together.
Kura tutur, kambangan danin ko bandi, wuni. Now you read. Goodnight, room.
Track the word as I read.
Nama karabayan.
Track and read together.
Nama karabayan. Now you read. Goodnight, moon.
Track the word as I read.
Nama kara Waarigan. Waarigan is moon. Waarigan is moon. Say Waarigan.
Again.
Say Waarigan.
One more time.
Say Waarigan. What does Waarigan mean?
Track and read together.
Namakara Waarigan. Goodnight, cow. Jumping over the moon.
Track the word as I read.
Namakara Buligi. Kanbambar Wangar Waarigan cow. Buligi is cow. Kanbambar is jumping. Wangar is above. And Waarigan gull is at the moon. Buligi is cow. Your turn. Say Buligi.
Again.
Say Buligi.
One more time.
Say Buligi. What does Buligi mean?
Track and read together.
Namakara Buligi. Kanbambar Wangar Waarigan gull. Goodnight, light and red balloon.
Track the word as I read.
Namakara Wollongur. Kuradini balloon. Wollongur is light. Dini is red.
Track and read together.
Namakara Wollongur. Kuradini balloon. Now you read. Good night, kittens.
Track the word as I read.
Namakara Bujigan Cat.
Track and read together.
Namakara Bujigan Cat. Now you read. Good night, clocks.
Track the word as I read.
Namakara Ngalan Cat. Ngalan Cat is clocks.
Track and read together.
Namakara Ngalan Cat. Now you read. Good night, little house, and good night, little mouse.
Track the word as I read.
Namakara bita bayan. Namakara bita Guguur.
Track and read together.
Namakara bita bayan. Namakara bita Guguur. Now you read. Good night, nobody.
Track the word as I read.
Namakara kuya. Kuya is nothing.
Track and read together.
Namakara kuya. And good night to the old lady whispering, hush.
Track the word as I read.
Kuranama kara tutur kamba danin ko bandin old wunni.
Track and read together.
Kuranama kara tutur kamba danin ko bandin old wunni. Now you read. Good night, stars.
Track the word as I read.
Nama kara Dawaar ngay. Dawaar ngay is stars. Dawaar is star. Say Dawaar.
Again.
Say Dawaar.
One more time.
Say Dawaar. What does Dawaar mean?
Track and read together.
Nama kara Dawaar ngay. Good night, eh?
Track the word as I read.
Nama kara Daan-gaay. Daan-gaay is wind. Say Daan-gaay.
Again.
Say Daan-gaay.
One more time.
Say Daan-gaay. What does Daan-gaay mean?
Track and read together.
Nama kara Daan-gaay. Good night noises everywhere.
Track the word as I read.
Nama kara Yurangay. Wali wali. Yurangay is noises. Wali wali is everywhere.
Track and read together.
Nama kara Yurangay. Wali wali. Now you read.
Let's read the words we need to remember.
Bujigan Cat, Guguur Mouse, Buligi Cow, Waarigan is Moon, Dawaar Star, and Daan-gaay is Wind. And this is the end of the lesson. Bye, Namagara.